Greetings. Let's get straight to the point. You're here to learn how to make a first Notion template. So let's build it. And by the end of this video, this is how your Notion template will look like. You will have a to-do list to the right side, a calendar view to the left side, in which you can make all your important appointments, and you'll have a gallery view to sort your entire life. Now with that said and done, let's build it. Okay. Now before we begin, let's go through some essential settings. So now as soon as you see the top right corner of this page, there are 3 dots. Please press that, and once that is done, click on full width. This is going to allow you to use the full width of your computer screen to build your Notion template. Now to make this template possible, we'll have to divide this page first into 2 columns. So this is how you do it. Press slash and type in columns. Now we have 2 columns. Now this is how the page gets divided. Now we have this divider over here. You have to just stretch it till a particular point, and now this is how it's going to work. Okay. Now it's time to actually make the to-do list possible. So first things first that we have to do is press slash and give it a good heading. Heading 1, to-do list. And now you go down and type slash again. And this time you type to-do list and enter your first task. For me, it's edit video. Now the next task, and so on. And this is how you can build your first to-do list. Yes. Now let's move on to step 3, which is going to be to create the calendar view, or the calendar which you can see in front of you, which you'll see in front of you. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to Template Style Studios, please take a moment and smash the subscribe button, as it motivates us. Now this is how we'll build the calendar view. Press slash and write calendar. This creates calendar view, and this is your calendar which is ready. Please select new empty database and write. And this is how you create your calendar view. And just like a normal calendar, you can always add the tasks and stuff that you have pending. Like for me, it is upload a video, and that's it. And here's my task which is created. Now the 4th step is going to be to create the gallery view, and this is very simple. So all that I have to do is go down and press gallery. This is going to create a beautiful visual representation which you're going to love. Now this step is going to take some time, so please be patient with me. This is work. And now there's another thing, is that to make it look better, we can add an image to it as well. So this is going to act like a cover image for the same. We go to Unsplash and type work and choose this one. And this is how the result looks like. Now for this next one, let's take life. And here's where I'm going to take this to the next level. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. We go to image again, and this time I'm going to use a GIF or a GIF, and life is what I want. So let's take the best one here. It might take a moment or two, but here it is. Doesn't that look wonderful? You can similarly add a few more pages, but this is how you would create a gallery view. Now this was it at how you'll create your first ever Notion template, which is supposed to be a personal planner. Now if you want to know how I created my cover image to be like a live GIF, please do drop it in the comment section, and don't worry, I'll pin that video in the first comment itself. And here's your bonus trick, because you stayed till the end. Bonus trick. So now if you go to the top right corner and press the 3 dots, Notion allows you to go through a variety of text styles, which is always going to make your template look much better. At least it's going to make it look much better than that other friend of yours who didn't subscribe to Template Style Studios. With that said and done, this was it from me today. Do subscribe to the channel. If you love this video, do like and share it to your friend so that he doesn't feel bad. Thank you.